join me today aboard the Cruisers Yachts 57 Fly. This is their flagship flybridge boat, and I want to show you how their great use of interior design, expansive flybridge, and thoughtfulness throughout really makes this boat something special. So here we are on board the platform of the 57 Fly. While this boat is designed to be an owner-operator and with its joystick piloting really makes it easy to do so, if you do want to have a captain, we do have a captain's quarters that is completely independent, also has its own head in here, AC as well. Moving to the center, we've got a fold-down platform. This actually opens up into a big sun lounger that's padded for your days at the beach. We've got easy access on and off through our deployable ladder, but if you don't want to use that ladder, the platform actually goes down as well. And you'll notice right over here on this side, there's a stairway that comes out as the platform drops down. Also, these rails are designed to put a tender on board, and you don't need a crane or anything. Since the platform deploys, you can float it on and lift it right back up. So moving forward into the cockpit, we've got dual access for both of our 50 amp shore powers. They're both retractable as well. Easy access through the starboard way with a little door to block it off. Controls here run our platform as well as access to fresh water. Moving inside, you can see we've got great lighting here, a U-shaped settee for lots of entertaining space. Our doors actually will open up to provide a full entryway through. We're not limited to a single doorway. Port side, you'll notice that we've got a big wing that folds down to give us easy access onto a balcony with access to a bar on the side as well. So moving on into the salon, you can see we've got our doors wide open, all three, easy access so everybody's not cramming in and out of one side. At our kitchen here, we've got induction burner, air fryer with microwave built in, dishwasher, everything you need for that long weekend or even a couple weeks down in the islands. On the starboard side, we've got lots of refrigeration and freezers, double what you're gonna see on most boats like this. Moving forward, nice couch here. Behind that, we have a pop-up TV that stores away out of sight if you want to take in that full ocean view, get the experience. We do have additional sleeping space here as well. Our seating does drop down into a big bed. Starboard side, we've got access to our controls here. Joystick piloting, nice and easy access to our throttles are up high. Two big screens, as you can see, we've got one there with the camera looking at our platform right now for easy docking. It's also a good safety feature so we can see if anybody's out there while we're moving around. I like how they put the double seat here so you're not sitting there alone. And you've also got adjustability to slide that forward and aft. So here we are downstairs in the cabins. This actually looks like it might be a master, and on many boats it would be, but this is actually our VIP. We've got two closets with hanging space, lots of additional light, TV in here. In the VIP, we also have private access into our day hub that's shared. Great elegant designs on the interior there, they haven't stopped. You've got a beautiful sink, carved out stone. And then next, let's move on to our bunk room. So here we are in the bunk room. You'll notice that there's a lot of space in here for a private bunk room. This boat is really designed to be cruiser family friendly. While these beds are long enough to sleep somebody like myself, it's really designed to have two kids down here with extra space. They've got their own private TV, lots of storage space throughout as well. So now let's move back into our absolutely stunning master. If you notice when we're walking around, this master is absolutely huge. It's a mid-berth, so it's a full beam. I'm 6'2", and I'm not even close to hitting my head in here. We've got a built-in TV, washer and dryer behind the door here. Lots of space for sitting down, working if you want. You can treat it as a private office. More storage throughout. With such big windows, you've got so much light in here. The ceiling is so high that it really makes it feel open. We've also got a lot of built-in storage. We've got a dresser here with 4 drawers. On each side, you've got storage underneath here that's very expansive, as well as some under the bed. As we're leaving the room, make sure you check out the private ensuite head on the port side. They did a very, very good job in their design in there. It's a full dry head, stand-up shower with lots of space. You're not gonna wanna miss that one. So being on a boat is really all about being outside and enjoying the water, and Cruisers Yachts has put a lot of thought into that. You notice our balcony that folds down over here adds about 4 feet to the port side of the boat. And not only is it just a balcony, but it also doubles as a bar. We've got these 2 stools that pop in for easy access to our kitchen. This whole window slides open, turning this into a great entertaining spot. Moving forward again, you can see we've got easy access to move around, real high railings, wide space to walk through under the bow here. And on the bow, we've got a great entertaining space again. Another zone for entertainment, for audio, great lighting that pops up throughout, 2 big sun loungers, a seat that seats 4, plus additional tables. Access to our flybridge is a breeze with our wide walkway. It's not too steep. It feels a lot like a house walkway actually. We've got great railings throughout. We even have the ability to close that door in inclement weather so that we don't have any rain coming down below. On the flybridge, you're going to notice an absolutely expansive space with, again, multiple zones. We've got this huge seating area on the back. The table converts so that you can have it for dining, or you can have it closed for cocktails and a little more space to move around. On the port side, we've got a freshwater sink. We've got a double grilled underneath here, ice maker and refrigerator behind these doors as well. At our helm, we've got joystick piloting, very comfortable as I'm sitting here. I'm not having to lean over for it. Visibility overboard to see the dock is right alongside me. And then we've got our cameras again so that I can see everything going on the platform. On top of that, you've got induction chargers throughout the whole boat, including right here at the helm. More space for another area. And again, as every other zone on this boat, we've got our own audio controls for up here as well. So if everybody else wants to have a good time and you want to be up here in peace, you can turn the volume down up here. Well, thanks for joining me today on the walkthrough on the Cruisers Yachts 57 Fly, a truly fantastic boat by Cruisers Yachts. If you have any other questions or want any information, click on the link below.